We're gonna race, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, he's cheating! Yeah, that's amazing, bro. We outside, dude. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka Motor Bro, and as you see, we got a gang of mini bikes here. We're about to get all the homies and shred them. But before we do that, let me just show you real quick these FRP bikes. As you can see, we got the FRP. It has no clutch or anything, so it's super easy to rip. It's like the perfect bike to get your kid because you really don't even have to learn how to ride. You just hop on it, hit the gas and go. So it's a lot of fun, but we're about to go to the skate park, rip it with the homies, so let's get it. So as you can see, we're at Big Boy's place right now. He has all these ramps and it's flipping dope, and we're hitting burnouts, dog. Boy, hitting that burnout on the FRP, dog. Let's go. Hey, get it, get it. Yo, it's so funny. It's so funny seeing all these bikes just rip around, bro. Let's go. We are straight mobbing on these FRP bikes, dude. The DB003 killing it. Look at the homies coming in, bro. Let's go. Alright, we just filled up. We got our gas. We are ready to rock and roll. We gassed up. Oh boy, 12 o'clock. Bro, this is what I'm saying. Like, with just a group of your homies on mini bikes, like, we're literally just cruising. We're about to be at the skate park right here. Hey, we're gonna race. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, he's cheating! He's cheating! He's on the big bike, so of course he's gonna be chilling. Bro, I almost ate shit on this freaking FRP. Homie came in last, bro.
That was fully pinned.
That was pinned? Damn, hey. Yo, he's scraping that bit, huh? No one going? Alright, I'm gonna follow Jesse. So yeah, we made it to the skate park, brother. We made it to the skate park! Yeah! Look at the homies coming in! 1, 2. Oh! The boy catching air! Yo, what happened? Motor Bro.
I think I told you before. Damn. Yeah, I think I told you before.
Huh?
I think I know your channel.
Hey, thank you, brother. We outside, dude. Straight mobbing. Woo! Yo, I went all the way through that turn. Look out. Hey, Cody, how much fun you having on these little bikes?
Hey, man. They're too much fun.
Bro, it's so fun just ripping these bikes, like, with the homies. It's like, literally, they're so small, like, no one really cares.
Three, 2, 1, go!
I'm on the inside! Bro, I can't tell you how much fun these Supermoto bikes are, bro. Even though they're made for kids, adults can have fun on them too. Yo! On them too. Yo! Yo!
Oh yeah. Jesus, is that an eagle or a hawk?
Alrighty gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Shout out to FRP. I'll have a link in the description if y'all want to check out these bikes. And they're fun, bro. We're looking. Yes, sir! Look at this, dog. Yeah, that's amazing, bro. Yes, sir. You jumped off the curb, bro. We made it! We're through! We made it! Yo, so yeah, check out the FRP bike. I mean, bro, like, these are perfect for kids just to rip around, have some fun. It's freaking sick, dog. So gang, right here we got the DB03 from FRP Bikes, and yo, this thing is fun. It's definitely a kid's bike for your kid. It's super easy to rip. It doesn't have a clutch or anything like that. And it sort of comes straight out of the box, ready to rip. You don't really have to put anything on it besides the bars. It's pretty much 90% assembled already. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Show them the bike real quick. So as you can see, we got the motor right here. It's pretty simple, no clutch or nothing. Front brake right here. The gas to go. And we're ready to rip. Yo! 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 Yo, Jesse's catching air on the pump track, dog. Yo, that was so sick. You caught air, dog. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was freaking dope shredding the FRPs. I'm gonna have a link down in the description below if you want to get yourself one or get your kid one. Because bro, look at them, they're freaking dope, bro. They're dope to have, and I guarantee you your kid will love it if you don't have one. Love you gang, till next time, peace.